Have you ever wondered how plants get their nutrients? The secret lies just beneath the surface. Today, we are diving into the world of worms and discovering how these tiny creatures play a crucial role in soil health and plant nutrition. There are different types of worms. There are beneficial worms like earthworms and red wiggler worms that assist in decomposition of organic matters in soil. Another set of worms are the parasitic verms like roundworms and hookworms that infects humans and animals. Nematodes are another parasitic worms that infect plants' roots. However, we will be dwelling on the important duties performed by earthworms. Earthworms live in the soil and create complex networks of tunnels and burrows. These underground highways allow air and water to reach plants' roots, making it easier for them to absorb nutrients. Earthworms are nature's soil managers. They break down organic matter like dead leaves and roots by feeding on them and turning it into nutrient-rich soil, essential for healthy plant growth. This process releases essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other micronutrients, making them available to plants. As worms burrow, they create channels in the soil. These tunnels improve soil aeration, allowing roots to access oxygen more easily and helping water to penetrate deeper into the ground. Better aeration and water penetration means stronger root systems and healthier plants. As worms feed on organic materials, they break it down into simpler compounds. The result is worm castings, also known as vermicast. These castings are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for plant growth. With a steady supply of nutrients, plants can grow strong and healthy. Worms are essentially the soil's nutrient managers, ensuring plants get what they need to thrive. Gardeners and farmers often use worm castings as a natural fertilizer to enrich the soil and promote robust plant development. You are our hero. We benefit from your like, sharing and subscribing. Plants that benefit from worms' activity are generally healthier and more resistant to pests and diseases.
Studies have shown that plants growing in worm-rich soil are often more vigorous and produce higher yields compared to those in worm-depleted soil. You can encourage worm activity in your garden by adding organic matter like compost and mulching. This provides a continuous food source for worms and helps maintain healthy soil structure. Remember, worms are our allies in gardening and food production. By creating a worm-friendly environment, you're supporting a natural process that enhances soil fertility and plant health. So next time you dig in your garden, take a moment to appreciate the hard-working worms beneath your feet. They're the unsung heroes of soil management, ensuring that your plants have the nutrients they need to thrive.
You will agree with me that worms did an excellent job of making plants food. You should acknowledge this by clicking on the like button, the share and subscribe button too. Symphony of squirm, live in the underground, they confirm. Nature's wizards, dirt's in vain, turning waste to gold they sustain. Roots drink deep in the worm-made brew, healthy greens, veggies, fresh and new. Turn magic violin guides the tale, urban landscape blue.